I have a plan to stop him. Don't watch out! Oh, not again!
Leo, I'm sorry. You have a growth defect. Your body stopped growing.
No!
Don't give up on your dream, because when you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you.
We heard a lot of good things about Messi. Let's see if he can live up to it. Messi with the ball. Dodging two defenders. Got a Messi, got a Messi, got a Messi, got a Messi. Goal, 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 goal.
No way to stop this man.
Oh, what a nutmeg by Leo. Introducing the first kit designed to stop Messi.
¡Que tiene Messi! ¡Pone!
Oh, look at that. Even the fans want to be on the
¡Tiro de espalda, gran movimiento! ¡Golazo!
No matter how hard you try, this man is just unstoppable. All eyes on Messi. This is the match he's been dreaming of his whole life. Messi with the ball. Messi for all the glory. Messi! Oh, and he's missed!
It's the end of the dream for Leo Messi.
No se puede tener tanta mala
And it's over the bar!
So many big losses in a row.
Messi is definitely cursed.
You can't be the greatest if you don't
Una
win
pesadilla
these tournaments.
para Leo Messi. Demostró que es
Too many frustrations already.
Will Messi stop his quest with a missing trophy?
When you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you.
Messi's team is on the edge of the abyss.
He really needs to step up.
Well, if they don't make it, it'll be a huge embarrassment.
Messi is carrying the whole weight of his team.
He has all the pressure in the world.
Messi with the ball. Into the area. Messi for the comeback.
¡Lionel, Lionel, 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 Lionel!
When you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you.